Hey everyone! Today we're talking about something that might seem simple, but is actually super powerful. Logos. What exactly is a logo? Why do companies spend so much time and money on them? And how can a logo's impact change depending on where you are? Let's break it all down. So, what is a logo? At its core, a logo is a graphic mark, symbol, or even just a unique typeface that represents a brand or company. Think of it as the face of the business, a shortcut for people to recognize who you are without reading a single word. Logos come in all shapes and sizes. Some are just letters, like IBM or CNN. Others are symbols like Apple's Apple or Nike's swoosh. Sometimes it's a combination of both, like Starbucks or Adidas. The key is that a logo is designed to be memorable and instantly recognizable. It's the visual handshake that says, "This is who we are." Today, I'm going to show you how to create 3D effect logos without spending a lot of time or using expensive apps. We're diving into the artistry behind credible logo designs. First, open the Chrome browser on your laptop or mobile phone. Type ChatGPT.com in the search bar and press Enter. Click on the plus icon on the left side, then click on Photo Library. Now, select the image with the texture you want to apply to your logo. I'm selecting this image. Next, upload the logo you want to convert into 3D. I'm selecting this logo for the 3D logo creation. Now, we need to type a prompt to generate a 3D style logo. A prompt is essential to create anything in ChatGPT. A perfect prompt gives perfect results. Type the prompt shown on the screen. Apply the texture from the image on the left to the logo in the image on the right, and make it look 3D, rendered in Cinema 4D, 8K. Maintain the logo's shape and orientation. Keep the background black. Give it a high contrast between light and shadow. Then, press the Enter button. It will take some time to generate. We all know that ChatGPT is trending on internet nowadays, with lots of exciting features like Ghibli-style image generation, which has created a sensation on social media, and many more. Here, the logo is ready. Where nature meets creativity and texture speaks louder than words. You can see this stunning green emblem, an organic blend of clean lines and lush foliage. This logo feels alive. The crown-like shape subtly suggests leadership or excellence, while the leafy texture screams eco-consciousness, sustainability, and growth. It's ideal for green startups, environmental brands, or wellness ventures aiming to make a powerful, natural statement. You can download this logo by clicking the download icon. The texture is excellent. I would rate it 10/10. The visual appeal is 9.5/10. The brand versatility is around 9/10. Let's create another logo. I'm selecting this image. I'm selecting this logo for the 3D logo creation. have this sleek, futuristic emblem that immediately catches your eye with its sharp, interlocking triangular geometry. But what truly sets it apart is the water droplet texture. The realistic beads of moisture give it a fresh, dynamic, and almost tangible feel. It evokes elements of technology, sustainability, and innovation, perfect for a brand focused on clean tech, AI, or next-gen engineering. I would rate it 9/10 for texture and 10/10 for visual appeal, 8.5, 10 for brand versatility. So whether you're launching a futuristic tech startup or building a brand rooted in nature and sustainability, these logos are more than just designs. They're your identity. Use them to shape your vision, tell your story, and stand out in a crowded world. Your logo is the first handshake your brand makes. Make it unforgettable. Get inspired, get designing, and create a brand the world will remember. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite logo in the comments below. Your journey to building an iconic brand starts today.